Hello everyone, this is 2010 Honda Pilot. We're going to change the transmission fluid on it. The dealer wanted $119 to change it. I just spent $45 on ATF fluid. Get the stuff straight from Honda, don't chance out. So that's it, let's get to it. So we're at the front of the car and I'm going to show you where the drain plug is. Go right underneath. It's right here. It's the first, basically the first thing you're gonna see with the square setup. So you're gonna use one of these wrenches and just put it on. Now I already broke this loose. You might need a little wrench like this probably wouldn't do it. You're gonna need a breaker bar or something, but it's already loose. So once you get that loose, it looks pretty freaking dirty, but it hasn't been changed in a while. We're gonna let the sucker drain, and then we're gonna go on top. I'll show you what you need to take off. Okay, well we got that stuff draining. I'm gonna show you the fill hole. So, trying to get this light done. So this is where you need to loosen this thing up. It's a 17 millimeter, and you're gonna need, I'm using 2 extensions. You're gonna get it down there. That's it. Get this thing on it. We got this stuff broken loose. It was freaking tight as hell. Let's get this out. Try to get my hand over here and get it. Alright, this is what it looks like. So, don't lose the washer. See the washer there? Don't lose that. Right. Got the washer. Should really get a new one, but I didn't get a chance to do this. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fill this up. So this is a problem when you try to use one of these funnels. There's no way you could get it in there. Right? It doesn't fit. It doesn't reach all the way down where you need to. So what I'm gonna use is this piece of hose, and I'm just attaching it to this. This is what the funnel looks like with the piece of hose attached to it. Okay. And then all you gotta do is stick it in there. Shows in the hole. That's it, baby. So let's go back down and put the this other thing back on. So guys, this is your drain plug. At the end of this is a magnet, and it collects all kinds of crap. Make sure you clean that off before you put it back in. This also has a washer. Again, I forgot to get one, so I'm just gonna put it back in. You should really get a new one. So that's it. We're gonna clean this up and put it back in. So we got our clean drain plug. We're gonna put it back in. All right, guys, we're ready to fill it up. It takes about 3.6 quarts. So we're gonna put. I usually don't fill it to what they say first. I'll put 3. Check it. You don't want to overfill it. So, all right, guys, we're gonna put the top plug back on, and that's it. Just good and tight. I don't know the specs for the torque. Okay, so we got our wrench, our extensions ready to tighten up this fill plug. Once you do this, drive it around a little bit, get the get the transmission hot, and then check the fluid. This is where you check it. That's where the dipstick is for the transmission. It's right next to the oil fill, engine oil fill, okay? So once you're done, make sure it's okay. I hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.